Hello there and welcome back to my channel. I am Iyanuoluwa and welcome back to Temitopedancer Food and Lifestyle. You're wondering what's up today? I'm going to be showing you how to make this perfect short crust pastry for your meat pie, sausages, chicken pie, what have you. There is nothing more to it. Let's get right into it. So I've got my flour. I'm going to be using the yolk of an egg as well, cold water, some butter, some baking powder, and salt. In a large bowl, I'll be adding my flour and then some sprinkle of salt. And then I'll combine everything with a whisk. Yes, I don't want the salt to come in contact with baking powder when I'm going to add it, so I just have to stir it in. But of course, it's not a must, but I just feel it's necessary for me to do so. So I'll be adding in my baking powder. I've added just 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Do remember the recipe and the correct measurements will be on my blog, which is Temitopedancer Food and Lifestyle, blogspot.com. And then I combine that again using my whisk. And then in goes my butter or margarine, as the case may be. And one thing, you might be looking, oh, the margarine or butter looks plenty, but my dear, it is necessary. You know, for you to get a flaky and crunchy pastry, it just have to be crunchy. If it is not crunchy, then what are you making? Your snack is meant to be crunchy. Your sausage, your meat pie, your chicken pie is meant to be crunchy. And one thing you have to do is this method I'm doing is called rubbing in method. I'm actually rubbing in the butter with the flour, trying to make it will be as fine as breadcrumbs of gari, the yellow gari, popular yellow gari. I'm meant to do this, but one thing about this pastry is very technical. You don't have to overwork it. You don't have to overstress it. If you read my recipes very well on my blog, you get to know what I'm talking about. So in another bowl, I will be separating or taking out the egg yolk, because it is only the egg yolk I need for the pastry. Yeah, it is only the egg yolk you need. So I'm just taking the egg yolk out. Of course, So back to what we were saying. You add the egg yolk into your pastry, and then you add your cold water, and then you mix together. So I just thought I must say this. Please and please wash your hands very well before doing this. Please wash your hands very well. It is very important, because your hands can be dirty and then you'll be touching food this way. You know, as Yoruba people would say, ko fashion rara. Yes, of course. This particular pastry, ko fashion. no hustle, no bustle. It is not like your bread where you get to knead and you, if you don't go to the gym to work out, then you have to do it in the kitchen. This is not that kind of pastry. And so with that, I'll be covering with a cling film, and then I will refrigerate till any time I feel like making use of it. And that is it. It is simple. It is straightforward. No, nothing extra to it. There you have it. Please do well to check out the details and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. I'm at Temitopedancer on all social media platforms. Be good, be nice. I'll see you some other time.